Creating a note, doodle, or sketchbook. The first thing to do is to select the template that you want to customize. Next, we'll see the cover pages that we can edit and modify. Now you can select your inside page style. There is lined, doodlebook, or blank. Once you start editing, familiarize yourself with the tools. You can resize the page to make it fit your monitor. Let's double-click on the name field and enter a name. So we're going to call this Brian. I think I want to increase the font size though. That looks better. Let me reposition it. Okay. Now it's black, and I think I want to pick a color that more closely matches the stitches. There you go. Now the inside cover, I'll write a little note for Brian. Brian, this is a gift to you from your awesome brother. And yes, you are a monkey. Inside joke, guys. But what this system will allow us to do is change the font color. And now I'm going to select image, go to the image library in the system under characters, and I bet you there's a monkey I can select from. Okay, so now if I make the image box bigger, there you go, and there's my monkey. I could have just as easily added a photograph or picture that I could have uploaded from my desktop. But since I got the monkey in here, I think I'm going to add a dragonfly. Put that over here. Maybe we'll add another picture. Let's see, what other characters do we have? How about the frog? Okay, put it there. Resize it. You can see how easy it is to add images, to add characters, resize them. And then I'll add a lizard. Put that over there. And right about there. Great. Now I go to Next. And I could edit the inside back cover. Just a little note that when he's all finished with his notebook, to remember to thank your brother. Okay. Once again, I think I'll change the font color so I'm consistent throughout the book. And I think what I'm going to do here is we're going to select image, but instead of selecting a character, I'm going to go to upload image, and I'll upload a picture from my desktop. So we select it and then give it a name and hit upload. Of course, we have to remember that depending on your internet speed and the size of the picture, it may take a moment or two for the image to upload. So please be patient. Okay, now that my image is here, I'm going to actually edit the image. Our system gives a lot of really neat tools that can allow you to change colors, to add drop shadows. You can see we can do line drawings. It's a drop shadow. And this is one of my favorite. It's called Polaroid. It takes the picture and makes it look like it was printed on a Polaroid and stuck onto your document. So that's what I'm going to use. I'll give it a name. And then save it. And then select it to use in my document. We'll reposition it, and then we'll increase the size. Much better. Okay, then next is my back cover. Now for the back cover, I'll just add a text box. Brian, and of course it's way too small, so we'll increase the font size and the color. And the font style. And you can even justify center, left, or right. Lastly, we'll make that font point size a little bit bigger. There we go. Now the last thing we'll see is a sample of the inside page that we selected, whether it's line ruled or whether it's a doodle book or blank. Once we hit next, we see the proofing page. Look at what we created. That is so cool. Check my spelling, double check that I've got the right pictures, and hit add to cart. And we've just built a notebook in less than 7 minutes.